So I was just going through my email and clicking on some links and checking out, what marketers are selling. And one offer was for a one-page website that's going to make you $64,000 per month, or whatever their claim was, with video proof and very compelling, very well-read sales letter. All you do is take their sales letter, download it, put your information on it, upload it, and there you go. What it doesn't tell you is how it generates the traffic. Now, there will be an upsell, or there will be something where you'll get in the membership area after you spend your $97 on this. You say, in order to generate traffic, you need to buy ads from Facebook or Google or Bing or YouTube or some source of paid traffic. And that $64,000 a month was really $50,000 in advertising to make $14,000 net, which is still great. And honestly, there's people that do that for real with the one-page website. It's usually a review website with an affiliate link on it. And you know what? It works if you're ready to master and really learn Facebook ads, and you have the resources to waste a lot of money to make a program profitable. Once you learn that technique, it's a one-page website, just a referral off to a sales letter. It's just a review usually what they are. And it works so well. I got a friend who made over $20 million last year doing that. I don't do it. I do Facebook ads, but I don't do affiliate marketing that way. I do it through emails. But just be careful. When you see those one page makes me X amount of money, you got to understand the only way a single page website is going to get traffic is if you buy it and send it to it. It won't generate traffic on its own. You can go get the greatest domain name in the world. What the search engines are looking for is for a flow of fresh, new, exciting content they can give their users that is engaging, that people like and read and stick around and comment and feedback. So you need to have a flow of content with links going to social media where people are liking your content on social media, consuming your content on social media, leaving comments on your Facebook account or your Twitter, retweeting and stuff like that. That's what they're looking for. They're looking for that engagement. That's how you get search engine traffic nowadays, is by having real content that people consume. So if you upload that one-page website, you better be prepared to really learn how to do Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever you need to do in order to make it work for you. Now, most of these providers are going to, give you training or upsell you training or, going to market to you some sort of training to go start doing that. Don't think you're going to buy a one-page website and magically you're just going to be printing money. It's not going to happen. Hey, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a couple more videos for you to check out right here. Plus, there's a picture of me. If you click on that, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, hey, if you like what we're doing here, ask questions. I'll make additional videos based on the questions that are asked. And also, give this a thumbs up so we can help the channel out and do more service for all the community.